Of the correction collars, the pinch or the prong collar is probably the most misunderstood or misused. Looks like a medieval torture device, but of the three, it's actually the most humane and natural correction that you can give your dog. On the pinch and prong collars, there's no sharp edges, all the edges are rounded, and there's actually no metal-to-metal contact, so it's not going to cause any trauma or injury to the dog's skin if the collar is fitted properly. The correction received by the pinch or prong collar is natural, and no matter how hard you yank it, it's uncomfortable at best. When fitting your pinch or prong collar, if you can slide the collar over the dog's head, it is way too loose. This collar system is based or designed to work on slack in conjunction with tension. If there's no slack, or if we take the slack out prior to the prongs making contact, then you get no correction whatsoever, and it's no different than a flat collar. When fitting a pinch or prong collar, you should open the collar up, place it around your dog's neck, and find the point where it's nice and snug. It's better to be a little too snug than not snug enough. If your collar is fit too loose, the collar will actually turn sideways around your dog's neck, and at that point, the prongs can actually wear or cause an abrasion or a sore. Once your collar is fit, using your collar is fairly easy. On the chain part of the collar, there's two rings. You have a D-ring that swivels and an O-ring that does not. By connecting both of these together with your leash clasp, it makes it not correct whatsoever. You can yank, tug, and pull, and it's not going to cause any type of correction to your dog. By releasing one ring or the other, you get the small amount of constriction which causes the correction to happen for your dog. Ideally, before using any type of correction collar, we want to put the collar on and have the dog wear it for several days, so that way they don't become what is called collar wise, or know that when the collar's on they can be corrected and when the collar's off they can't be. One mistake a lot of people make with the pinch or prong collars is that they put it on and take it off and only use it for this situation or that situation. And unfortunately that makes it inconsistent and it can lengthen your training time. Once the pinch collar is fitted properly and put on your dog, it can remain on your dog until you're finished with training. When utilizing any correction collar, it needs to be used properly. If you don't know how to use one, contact a professional. These collars are designed to be tools, and just like any other tool, if it's used in the right way, it produces good behaviors. If used incorrectly, you can cause more problems than you had to begin with.